Welcome to our how-to series. This quick video will show you how to install eSIM if you're an admin. It is easier to do this on your desktop, so you can scan QR code from your phone. First, you switch to User Portal. If you have never activated the eSIM, you will see Activate button, press it. If you have previously attempted to activate eSIM, but something failed, for example, your phone was locked, you again come back to User Portal. This time, you will see this screen as you attempted to activate before. You will click to open your eSIM and click on this eSIM icon. You will see the QR code and instructions. Follow the instructions on your phone. There are a few tips we recommend you follow after eSIM install. 1. Sometimes phones will require restart for new eSIM to work. To be on a safe side, restart your phone after the install. This is how most eSIM and SIM cards work. 2. On iPhone, don't forget to enable data roaming. Your eSIM will not work otherwise. 3. To keep it simple before you get to your destination, turn off your primary SIM and turn on your new eSIM. This way, you're not going to worry about using your primary SIM card. You can obviously have them both active with proper setup too. That's all. Thanks, enjoy!